Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about iPhones, and more specifically I'm going to show you how to change the numeric passcode on your iPhone, so the security passcode to get into the iPhone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, I want to let you know this is how to change your passcode on your iPhone if you currently know your actual password right now. So if you bought a used phone or you have a stolen phone and you're trying to get into it, this video is not going to help you. This is simply to update your iPhone passcode. So this is all going to be handled here through the settings app. It's this gray gear wheel icon thing. This is nothing that you need to download. It's already on your iOS device, but I'm going to go ahead and open mine now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my settings tab on my iPhone. And if you want to change the numeric passcode to your iPhone, what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you get to this section here called Touch ID and Passcode. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave these instructions in writing there. Once you get to this section, you want to go ahead and click on that line. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next the screen pops up and your iPhone's going to prompt you to enter your current password. So on my phone, I have a 6-digit passcode. If you only have 4, then you're just going to have the 4 dots. Mine has 6, so you'll want to enter in your current passcode. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered in my 6-digit iPhone passcode, and then this screen pops up here. And if you'd like to go ahead and change your iPhone passcode, you want to scroll down until you get to this section right down here. It's right here called Change Passcode. It's written in blue right there. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and then as you can see, this passcode confirmation screen pops up again for my iPhone. So you'll want to enter in your current passcode. Again, mine is 6 digits. Yours might be 4. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and enter that in. I'm going to put mine in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my passcode for my iPhone again. As you can see, it is a little redundant because it is a secure part of the iPhone. So now it's going to prompt you to go ahead and enter in a new passcode. So by default, it's going to choose whatever you had previously. So I have a 6-digit. If you want to change it to a 4 or from a 4 to a 6, you click on this blue button right here. All right, and then once you click there, then it's going to give you these options: custom alphanumeric, numeric, or 4-digit numeric. For me, I'm just going to leave it 6, so I'm going to click cancel. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter in a new passcode now. Okay, I entered in a simple passcode, and then as you can see, iPhones will prompt you and let you know if your passcode is too easy. So it's saying mine is, so I'm going to click change passcode. Okay, so it brought me back here to the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a more secure passcode off screen now. All right, now it's asking me to verify the passcode once again, so I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, so it processed for about 60 seconds or so, and then this screen pops up. Now my passcode has been changed. So let me go ahead and lock my phone and try it on my iPhone with my new passcode. Okay, now my iPhone is locked. I'm going to go ahead and press this to prompt the key code. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my passcode off screen. Okay, and my new passcode now works. So it just opened up my iPhone. So there you go. That is how you can change your iPhone passcode. This is for the numeric passcode to get into your iPhone. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.